Oh my god, it's like freaking Fort Knox in here. And another card.
For some reason I thought there was 3 in there, unless I counted wrong.
Cards?
Yeah, I thought I saw 3. Maybe not. Turn it this way, I'm having an issue here. Okay.
Keep on.
Sorry about the camera, guys. I'm trying to get a good shot of this.
Here.
Is there? Well, let's check those 2 out first.
Okay.
Right. So what is this?
It was the a.versicolor, a versicolor. I don't know if you can see that.
I can see it. That packing is awesome, though.
Yeah,
you guys see how many insulation pieces she put in here? It's awesome. Okay, hold on. Let me turn my flash on here. Okay. Now we can see.
2.
Hold on. I want to get a shot of that packing. Oh, there it is.
I see the feets.
See the feet.
Let me get the edge of this here. God, it's really packed in there.
That's great packing. I don't think I could, when I shed, I don't think I even got it that tight in there.
Oh, jeez.
What did she do? It's like they super glued it in here. That's awesome.
I'm afraid I'm gonna hurt her.
Just be careful.
Or him.
Him or her, we don't know. Won't know for a while.
Jeez. Trying to pull it out here.
Looks like it's coming out. It's more solid on this side.
I'm so afraid that I'm gonna hurt her.
Slowly inch it out.
Is that one piece? I think it's one piece.
Looks like it.
Okay, I'm gonna try to...
Alright guys, we'll be right back as soon as we get this out of here. It's like the packing's almost too good. Alright, we got it. Oh, I'm so excited.
Figure out where this starts. There we go.
Drum roll.
Right.
There it is. Oh my goodness.
He's so blue. There she
It's so
goes.
tiny. It's hard to show exactly how tiny it is on this camera. Yeah.
My thumbnail.
There we go. Oh my goodness. I already love her or him.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Already got an attitude. Alright. Alright, there's that. I'm sure she's gonna have that all webbed up soon.
Oh, she won't be in here very long.
Yeah.
It's that color though. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to get the camera.
Her little enclosure.
There we go.
Did you just do that with your nose?
I did. I don't have a hand. Awesome.
Let me get the label of this one on.
Alright, so what's this one?
Blue fang. You're gonna have to say the scientific name for this one. I'm tongues with this.
Oh, the camera to zoom in here. It's being stupid. There we go. Hopefully everyone can see that. So this is an cyanogmathus, which is a blue fang tarantula. And I'm super excited about this one. I actually saw a picture of this one before it got sent, but it was kind of hard to see because it was so little, so I'm eager to see what this is going to look like.
There's legs.
Let me see. Oh, look at that. Wow. Hold on,
See if we can
stop
get some
moving.
light in there.
Stop moving. I had
Where's
it.
my light pen?
I don't know. The cat stole it.
Okay.
There we go. Okay. I see orange. Looks orange. Okay.
Alright, so now that we've learned how this works,
So it literally just took us 5 minutes to get this out of here.
more like 10. That packing is insane.
Seriously.
Alright, so this one I'm going to sit down here
I would.
and roll it like that.
This box out of the way.
You guys
Easy.
have to tell us what you use to put this in there, because that is insane.
Seriously. I'm very, very impressed with this. It's probably some of the best packing I've seen. Almost.
Alright, where are you, little flighty creature?
There it is. Oh my
Very
goodness.
cute. Nice.
Look at the. Oh my goodness.
Look at those colors.
The camera's not wanting to zoom in on it. There we go.
Let's see if
Look at that green.
There we go.
Don't touch it. I want to see. There we go. Yep. Oh my goodness.
Beautiful.
Look at that green.
You guys produce some really pretty teas.
Yeah. It's one of the prettiest slings I've ever seen. Easy. Go back home. Look at that green. Oh my gosh.
Beautiful.
Oh, I see the blue.
Yeah? Oh, yeah,
Oh, there it goes. Oh my goodness, guys. Why won't you zoom, camera? Focus. Focus. No, it's picking your hand up. It just won't pick your hand. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on.
Ooh, in the tube.
It's so little. It says no.
Right?
Well,
I'm like,
do what
okay,
you tell
where
me.
are you going? Doop. Can you go in your tube?
Sorry, my camera won't focus on
It's like a...
her or him, guys. I'll get some good pictures of this little guy here in a little bit. Just let her go on her own.
It's like having a green bottle.
Oh, jeez. Green bottles.
Yep.
Okay, guys, I'm going to cut this off so we can get her back in here safely. Alright, we got her back in there. Or him. Ah, focus. Whoa. This is not a good close-up camera. Okay. I don't guess I'm going to get this one. I'll get
It's
some
probably because of the glare.
possible. Well, it wasn't doing it outside either. I'll get some pictures of her instead.
That would be best.
Yeah, alright.